Hey there, Eddie here with Defunkify. So I think we can all agree that today's activewear is incredible. Keeps us lighter, cooler, and drier than ever before. But there's one major issue that many of us face. It gets super funky and develops these persistent odors that are really tough to get rid of. And the reason's quite simple. Most laundry detergents aren't well designed to clean technical synthetic fibers. In fact, they leave sweat, grime, and soap scum behind, creating an ideal environment for odors to thrive. And that's exactly why Defunkify created the perfect laundry detergent for synthetic apparel. Active Wash uses surface chemistry and enzymes engineered to deep clean technical fibers. The combination completely unlocks and removes every drop of sweat and grime, so your activewear always looks, feels, and smells like new. We can even see the results at a microscopic level. Notice how other detergents leave behind all that sweat, grime, and soap scum, whereas Active Wash completely renews the fibers. Plus, our green chemistry formula exclusively uses non-toxic, biodegradable, and plant-based ingredients to keep our planet and family safe. Now, on top of being scientifically superior and environmentally friendly, Active Wash is clean and easy to use. Just toss one packet into any washing machine and let Defunkify wash the funk out of it.